Welcome back to Mason's ADV. Ride along with us as we explore off the beaten path, head out for some adventure bike camping, and keep you updated on modifications and new gear for adventure riding. Be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any adventures. Glad to have you along for the ride.
Well, hey guys, Mason here. And as you know from last week's video, I'm back out with old Mason. We've got the two KLRs back on the road, and we're just heading north here on the peninsula for our shakedown run. So far today, everything's been good. We haven't lost any nuts, bolts, fasteners, or people.
No, not yet.
And we've just come through the 40 Hills Road. Now we're heading north on the peninsula. Time for some asphalt twisties.
Oh, look at that. Bison.
I was watching the dog running across the lane on the other side.
Oh, yeah, no. Well,
No, I missed him. You got him on the camera?
I missed the dog, but yeah, I think so.
Cool.
Just little guys.
I didn't know anyone was farming them up here.
There they are. You know what? This might be a drone area.
Oh, for sure it will be. Actually, that slipped my mind. I think it might be time to put the drone up here somewhere.
Right?
Yep, 100%.
Go ahead. I don't need to be leading all the time, you know.
Oh no, this is good. I'm filming you.
What's the squirrel? Chipmunk.
Chibi.
Oh, what a lovely day. What would you do if you didn't have a motorbike? You know, it's funny, and everybody obviously is different, but when you've had like motorcycles all your life, I have, you have. Yeah, I just, you kind of can't imagine what it would be like not to have one.
So what is it about it? Like, I mean, we get out and we love it, and it's great, but try putting your finger on it. Like, it's easy, the old cliches, right? Like, I mean, you're just out on a machine, and you're out and you're in the open, but it's more than that.
Well,
I don't know, is it the fact that you spend so much time working on them that there's a pleasure in having something run nice that you know you had some input on, or?
Yeah, I think there's that. I think motorcyclists generally tend to be tinkerers, don't they?
Yeah, for sure.
They mostly all do their own work. Like, not many guys take their bikes back to the dealer for anything at all routine.
No,
you know,
no, but just in for the important stuff, yeah.
So there's that sort of that recreational part of it where even when the weather's not good, if you've got a shed or a garage or whatever, you go out and, you know, there's always something you can do, right?
Yep.
And having, I guess over the years, rode all sorts of bikes, I've got to say that something like the Dual Sport is actually pretty much the perfect bike, because there isn't anywhere you really can't go except on water.
It's true.
You know, like, I mean, you'd hate to take a ZX-10 or something up a gravel road, wouldn't you?
It makes you grit your teeth, doesn't it?
You know, whereas these things, you know, you can travel highway, you can travel gravel, you can do the trails, like...
It is, it's perfect.
You can go anywhere, like, it's pretty much ideal.
Yes, I see that, it's beautiful.
What do you think?
Yeah, sure. Anything all right here, eh?
How's that shoulder? Is it good?
It's good. Yep, solid. All right. Yeah, I think taking the shell off was a good idea, but it's always easy to say while you're stood still.
I'm down to my just the
Are you? Yeah.
mesh. Yeah, we'll see. Might get a little cool.
All right. Lead on.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. All corners might be a bit gritty.
Look at that, a speed meter. Gosh, that could make for some fun runs.
Yeah.
How's your bike running, all right?
Oh, perfect, yeah.
Yeah, this too.
Oh, God, always runs good. Now, I did buy, I haven't put it in yet, but I bought an iridium plug.
Oh yes, I have one too. Haven't put it in. It's in my tool bag.
Yeah.
What's the word on the street about those?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know either. I didn't do any research. I just bought it.
Yeah, me too. I didn't read up on it. I thought, oh, iridium, that sounds good. I'm going to buy one of those.
Oh yeah, that's got to be an extra 40 horse.
Look, here we go, little loose.
Nice. Yeah, so guys, if you've had any experience with the iridium spark plugs, throw a comment down below. I'd be happy to hear about that. Like we just said, neither of us have put it in yet, but it seemed like a fun thing for...
Well, it's bragging rights. Oh, I got my KLR's got an iridium plug, right?
Super sparker.
Yeah. Yeah. Tune up in a package.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's funny. So I have the iridium is an NGK, but I had a spare NGK in my tool bag, and then I found the iridium in the tool chest this winter, and it's got I've marked on it KLR. So obviously I bought it at some point, never put it in.
Yeah.
So I threw it in the toolbox in exchange for the NGK, but
Yeah.
or the non-iridium, I suppose.
So we'll give her a shot. Sometime
Oh, yeah.
I'm in there, we'll need to check the valves on this anyway, right?
Yeah, we should do that. Bring her down. We could be in and out in 3 hours.
I think it's the highway, is it not?
No, this is the T, and this takes you left to the highway or right to the Lighthouse North, which I believe is closed. You can't get out.
The lighthouse is closed, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going
Left.
Oh, I see. Oh, we're on the highway.
Yeah.
Highway 6?
Highway 6.
Oh, that's right, we only have one highway.
Yep.
I can still hear you shifting.
Wow. It's that clear, eh?
I think this is where we put the drone up the last time, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's
Yeah.
our little bridge. This is where your helmet screw came out.
Yeah.
Just by chance.
Right here.
Yep.
No kidding.
Is this us?
Yep.
Or do we go one more?
Left, left.
Sorry, I'm trying.
Yeah.
I had a hard time bleeding the speed on.
We still get caught on this corner.
I know.
That was a lovely run.
Fantastic.
Just perfect.
It really was. I guess on that note, we should sign off another video here. We're going to head back to Old Mason's, get a coffee, sit in the sunshine, have a little firkle with the drone. And on that note, we'll leave you guys alone. As always, mind how you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.